Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today I will teach you about Social Studies, Class 1, Unit 2, Lesson 4, Food and its own, page number 17. Okay, now open your books, page number 17. The lesson name is Food. My dear students, we already read about this lesson. Food. We eat food to make us strong and healthy. Food help us to do many things. Healthy food help us to grow. And the food like vegetables, meat, fruits, dry fruits, etc. etc. Okay, now move on page number 19. Here you have given question A, and the question is, name the following food items, color the pictures, put a tick by the food you like to eat. Okay, here you can look some food. Again read the question. The question is name the following food items. आपने क्या करना है, यहाँ पे जो भी आपको गिवन फूड्स हैं उनका नेम लिखना है. कलर द पिक्चर, देन उसको कलर करना है अकॉर्डिंग टू द फूड कलर. देन पुट अ टिक बाय द फूड यू लाइक टू ईट. और जो फूड आपको पसंद है, आप जिस फूड को खाना पसंद करते हैं, वहां आपने क्या करना है, टिक मार्क करना है. ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव गिवन, टेल मी व्हाट इज दिस. यस, peach. We have given fruit peach and its color is pale orange. Yes, the next one is, what is this? Yes, I know. Yes, you also know this is a carrot. And the color of carrot is, tell me, the color of carrot is orange. Good. The next one is, what is this? Yes, mango. And the color of mango is yellow. Yummy. The next one is, what is this? Yes, this is a fish. And the color of fish is grey. Now move on the next slide. Here you can look the name of these items. The first one is peach, carrot, mango, and the last one is fish. Yes, आपने अपने बुक पे कलर खुद करने हैं, ठीक है? ओके, द नेक्स्ट वन इज, we have given, what is this? Yes, this is a cheese. You eat cheese in your breakfast time. And the color of cheese is, tell me the color of cheese. Yes, the color of cheese is yellow. And the next one is, what is this? Apple. And the color of apple is red. Good. The next one is, what is this? Can you tell me? Yes, this is an egg. And the color of egg is yellow. Good. And the next one is, what is this? Water? Is this water? No. This is a milk. And the color of milk is white. Good. Now move on the next slide. Here you have given the names of these items. Okay. The next one is butter. Yes. And the color of butter is? What's the color of butter? Yes, the color of butter is yellow. And the next one we have given, what is this? Yes, you know, this is a goat. And the color of goat is? It's an optional. The color of goat is brown. The color of goat is black. The color of goat is white, etc. etc. And the next one is hen. The color of hen is? Yes, I write here hen, and the color of hen is, about my choice, the color of hen is white. But आप अपनी मर्जी से भी hen में कलर कर सकते हैं, like brown. And the last one is, what is this? Yes, this is your favorite. Ice cream. And the color of ice cream is pink. Okay, now move on the next question. And here you have given question number B. And the question number B is, complete these sentences. The first sentence is, for breakfast, I like to eat dash. I write here about my choice, but you can write about your choice. So, आपको breakfast में क्या पसंद है? Yes, you're right. I write to eat egg for breakfast. For breakfast, I like to eat egg. The next one is, for dinner, I like to eat dash. What you like to eat for dinner? Yes, you can write, but I write here vegetables. For dinner, I like to eat vegetables. The third one is, for lunch, I like to eat what? I like to eat meat. You write here about your choice. What you like to eat for lunch. And now move on next page. And it's on page number 20. Here you have given exercise C, and the exercise C is, where do these foods come from? Join the foods to the things they come from. अच्छा जी, आपको यहाँ पे कुछ फूड्स गिवन है. आपने बताना है कि ये फूड्स आपको कहाँ से हासिल होते हैं? ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव गिवन apricot. Yes, and and where you get from apricot? Yes, you get apricot from an apricot tree. First of all, move on the next slide. आप नेक्स्ट स्लाइड पे जाएं, फिर आपको समझ आएगा, ठीक है? एप्रिकॉट, एप्रिकॉट आपको कहाँ से मिलता है? एप्रिकॉट ट्री से. सो ज्वाइन द फूड्स टू द थिंग्स दे कम फ्रॉम. आपने क्या करना है? एप्रिकॉट को आपने एप्रिकॉट ट्री से ज्वाइन करना है. यस, द नेक्स्ट वन इज एग. Where you get from egg? Yes, you get egg from hen. Okay, the next one is fish. We get fish from water or by fishing. And the next one is, what is this? Look at your book. Rice. And where do we rice come from? Yes, through rice plant. The next one is beans. Where do we get beans come from? Yes, beans plant. Where is beans plant? In this picture, at last or at the end, you have given beans plant. And then last one is milk. Where to get milk from? Yes, we get milk from cow. Okay, my dear students, do exercise A, exercise B and exercise C on your book, page number 19 and page number 20. We have completed this lesson. Hope so you have fully enjoyed this lesson. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.